Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Students, in previous videos we have completed the explanation of chapter number 6, The Ghat of the Only World. Now today we will do the reading with insight, the questions of that lesson. Question number 1, what impressions of Shahid do you gather from the piece? Answer. Introduction. Shahid came to be friend with the writer Amitabh during his last days of life. Shahid was basically an Indian like the author. As the very name suggests, he was a Muslim. He belonged to Kashmir. He sought his education in Delhi, while in India they shared common friends and nothing more. But as Shahid shifted to Brooklyn in 2000, he came to entrust a very important task to the writer. His friendship with Amitabh. After shifting to Brooklyn, Shahid started meeting and eating with Amitabh almost every day. He entrusted him to write about him after he was gone. He didn't want that he remembered just through the words of memory, but he wanted to be remembered through some writing about him. This Amitabh did successfully later on keeping his friendly pledge. कि जैसा मैंने आपको इस एक्सप्लेनेशन के टाइम पे बताया था कि शाहिद ने अमिताभ से क्या मांगा था कि उनके मरने के बाद अमिताभ जो है वो उनके बारे में कुछ लिखेंगे, कि सिर्फ उन्हें मेमोरी के रूप में याद ना किया जाए, उनकी एक रिमेम्बरेंस जो हो वो राइटिंग में भी होनी चाहिए. Question number 2. How do Shahid and the writer react to the knowledge that Shahid is going to die? कि कैसे शाहिद ने और राइटर ने रिएक्ट किया ये जानकर कि जो शाहिद है वो मरने वाले हैं. आंसर. Shahid had gone for a scan test. It was scheduled for 2:30 in the afternoon. The writer got restless and he started calling at his home. He phoned many a times in the afternoon, in the evening to have the latest information about the position of the alignment of his dear friend. Nobody responded, but he couldn't be hindered and he phoned in the early next morning. This time, Shahid responded. Without any preambles, he straightway started giving the bad news of his alignments, which had already taken a devastating form. He told that doctors had stopped all the medicines and treatment like chemotherapy. They just would give him radiation a little later, but they didn't hope much from that also. Now here students, there are some extra questions, short answer type question. Which characteristics of Shahid strikes you the most? कि शाहिद के कौन से जो चारित्रिक वो थे उसने आपको प्रभावित किया. आंसर. शाहिद इज अ क्वाइट ल्यूसिड फेलो. ही इज एन एंडलेस स्कॉलर. ही हैज़ द sorcerer's ability to transform a commonplace thing into magical. His liveliness strikes me the most. Question 2. When and where did the writer befriend Shahid? कब और कैसे जो थे वो दोस्त बने, दोनों राइटर और शाहिद. आंसर. The writer befriended Shahid when the latter came to stay and settle in Brooklyn. कि जब वो ब्रुकलिन आकर रहने लगे थे तब. Question number 3. What were the basis of their friendship progressing so fast? क्या बेसिस थे उनके फ्रेंडशिप के कि वो इतनी जल्दी हुई. आंसर. Shahid and Amitabh were familiar with each other since their college days. When Shahid came to stay in a building a few blocks away from the writers in Brooklyn, both came closer. Soon they started meeting on lunch. Their friendship progressed fast as they both had similar taste in food, music and films. Question number 4. What responsibility did Shahid hand over to the writer and why? Answer. Shahid handed over the responsibility to the writer to write something about the former after his death. He did so as he wanted to be remembered not through the spoken recitatives of memory and friendship but through the written words. कि ऑथर ने राइटर को शाहिद ने क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हैंड ओवर की थी, तो उन्होंने उनके मरने के बाद लिखने की जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी थी वो ऑथर को सौंपी थी। फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, हाउ डिड द राइटर कीप हिज प्रॉमिस मेड टू शाहिद? हाउ डिड ही फील बिफोर टेकिंग दिस रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी? कि कैसे राइटर ने अपने प्रॉमिस को सफल किया और कैसा फील कर रहे थे वो ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेते समय? आंसर, द राइटर केप्ट हिज वर्ड्स क्वाइट ऑनेस्टली. Just after promising Shahid, he picked up his pen and started jotting down the details of the conversation with the former quite sincerely and regularly. Later, he wrote about Shahid as per promise. Earlier, he felt that some other writer friends of Shahid could do the job better, who knew him better close and longer. So students, here we are doing some extra questions of that lesson. So you have to write all these answers in your notebook and learn it. This one is your homework, and in next video we have continue that type of questions.